The drone industry is evolving at lightning speed, and DJI is leading the charge with some seriously impressive tech. Today, we've got two standout contenders battling for the crown: the DJI Air 3S and the powerhouse Mavic 3. From stunning dual-lens cameras to cutting-edge obstacle avoidance, these drones are packed with features. But here's the real question: which one is perfect for you? Whether you're looking for premium performance or unbeatable value, stick around as we break down every detail to help you make the right choice. When it comes to portability and design, both the DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3 stick to DJI's iconic foldable form, making them ideal for travelers and outdoor adventurers. However, the Mavic 3, with its sleek and premium build, is a bit larger and heavier, weighing around 2 pounds. This makes it subject to federal registration in many countries. On the other hand, the Air 3S is more compact and lightweight, making it easier to carry around, especially for those always on the move. But don't forget, regardless of size, both drones will likely need some form of registration or certification depending on your location. Now let's talk cameras, which is often the game changer in drone selection. The Mavic 3 is a beast in this department. It boasts a 20MP 4x3 sensor developed in collaboration with Hasselblad, offering superior image quality, rich dynamic range, and the ability to shoot in 5.1K, perfect for high-end cinematic projects. Plus, it comes with a telephoto lens that offers a 7x optical zoom, great for capturing distant subjects without losing any detail. The Air 3S, while not quite as advanced, still brings strong competition. Its 1-inch sensor is an upgrade from its predecessor, and the dual camera system includes a wide-angle 24mm lens and a medium telephoto 70mm lens, both delivering sharp and vibrant images. It can shoot 4K at 60 FPS and even supports 120 FPS slow motion, with 10-bit color and 14 stops of dynamic range, making it excellent for low-light conditions. For professionals seeking top-tier image quality and zoom, the Mavic 3 is the clear winner. However, for enthusiasts or semi-pros looking for great performance at a more affordable price, the Air 3S is an impressive option that's hard to beat. Both the DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3 are packed with advanced flight features, but they show some distinct differences in performance. The Mavic 3 is equipped with 8 obstacle sensors and DJI's Opus 5.0 system, which can detect obstacles up to 200 meters away and automatically maneuver around them. This makes it ideal for navigating complex environments where safety is a top priority. The Air 3S, while also featuring omnidirectional obstacle detection, takes it up a notch with a front-facing LiDAR sensor. This feature excels in low-light conditions or nighttime flying, where standard sensors might struggle. Although it doesn't match the range of the Mavic 3's obstacle avoidance system, it's still highly reliable and ensures smooth flights. When it comes to battery life, the Mavic 3 leads with an impressive 46-minute flight time, though in real-world conditions, expect closer to 36 to 40 minutes. This extended battery life makes it perfect for longer shoots or covering more ground without frequent recharging. The Air 3S offers a solid 45-minute flight time under ideal conditions, which is still remarkable given its smaller size. Unless you're planning extensive flights, the difference in battery life likely won't be a major factor in your decision. Both drones come equipped with DJI's powerful transmission system, ensuring a reliable connection even over long distances. The Air 3S can transmit video up to 20 kilometers, an upgrade over its predecessor, while the Mavic 3 uses the more robust O3 Plus transmission system, offering stable video feed up to 9 miles. In terms of controllers, both drones provide similar remote options, but the Mavic 3 allows for an upgrade to the advanced DJI RC Pro, ideal for users seeking more precise control, and an integrated display for an all-in-one flying experience. Now let's dive into pricing. The DJI Air 3S starts at an attractive $1,199 for the base kit, going up to $1,599 for the Fly More combo. This package includes additional batteries, a charging hub, ND filters, and a carrying case, offering fantastic value considering the impressive features packed into this compact drone. In contrast, the Mavic 3 falls into a different price bracket, starting at around $2,049 for the standard version and climbing up to $3,249 for the premium combo, which includes ProRes support and a 1TB SSD. While it's undoubtedly on the expensive side, the Mavic 3 delivers top-tier performance and capabilities, making it ideal for professionals who demand the very best. Both the DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3 are stellar drones, but they cater to different types of users. The Mavic 3 shines with its versatility, featuring a dual camera system, superior dynamic range, and professional-grade specifications. It's perfect for those who require high-end video quality and advanced obstacle avoidance. On the other hand, the Air 3S is all about incredible value, offering impressive camera performance, enhanced transmission, and great usability, all within a smaller and more affordable package. For most users, the Air 3S hits the sweet spot between price and performance, making it the better all-around choice for both enthusiasts and semi-pros. As we wrap up our comparison of the DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3, it's clear that both drones bring something unique to the table, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a professional looking for top-tier performance or an enthusiast seeking great value, there's a perfect drone for you. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which drone do you think suits your style better? Are you leaning towards the Air 3S for its affordability and features? Or does the Mavic 3's premium capabilities catch your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching.